Class 6 Frequency Shift Keying. In my previous class, what is a amplitude shift keying and its waveforms are how to generate it, and also explained disadvantages and advantages of amplitude shift keying. Now I am explain frequency shift keying. It's simply called as FSK. Frequency shift keying is a digital modulation technique in which the frequency of the carrier signal is varies in accordance with the digital signal changes. I will write now here definition. This is the definition of frequency shift keying. The frequency of the carrier, either it is shifted up or down to represent either a signal is a binary value or a specific bit pattern. The simplest form of frequency shift keying is called as a binary frequency shift keying, that is BFSK, in which the binary logical values 1 or 0. Here 1 are represented by the carrier frequency being a shifted above or below the central frequency. In the higher frequency represented the logic high, that means 1, and it is refers to the mark frequency. The lower frequency is represented a logic low or logic 1, and it is called a space frequency. These two frequencies are equidistant from the central frequency. See here, this is a FSK waveforms. If there is a digital, it is a discontinuous in a phase when the frequency is shifted between the mark space and a space logic 0. Here it is a logic 0, that means the pulse is a high, the pulse is low, it indicates the logic 0. Whenever the pulse is high, it indicates the logic 1. In case of logic 1, it indicates the mark space. In case of logic 0, it indicates the space frequency. If there is a discontinuous in a phase when the frequency is shifted between the here marked phase to the space values, then the form of frequency shift keying it is used to are said to be non-coherent to coherent, and otherwise it is called a coherent. This is a modulating signal, this is a sine wave, this is a carrier signal, this is the output of the frequency shift keying. Whenever the modulating signal, that is it is a square wave. Here in this pulse is high, here this wave is not a change. In case of logic 0, the output signal is changed in accordance with the digital signal changes. Frequency shift keying is a less susceptible to errors than the amplitude shift keying. This is the main advantages to compare to the amplitude shift keying. In FSK, one disadvantages are there. It is a less bandwidth efficient than the amplitude shift keying or phase shift keying. Frequency shift keying is used to over voice lines in a high frequency radio transmissions. In many applications are used in the frequency shift keying. This is all about the frequency shift keying.